How to do Instagram blocks in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over to your Squarespace editor and then locate the actual part that you want to add it with. I have in here this part. Now I just want to delete this part right here and in order to add their Instagram. Click on this add block and then from in there you can scroll down and under the integrations you can find Instagram. So you can just drag and drop it right here. And once you have done that, this will preview in here your actual Instagram integration with your Instagram feed. So you can click onto this pencil icon, and in here you can choose in here an account that you wish to connect. Click onto this add an account option, click on OK, and then a pop-up window will appear. Into this pop-up window, you just need to log in into your Instagram account from there. And then once you have successfully logged in, you can choose in here that account and you can change in here the actual options that we have for that. Once you have connected to an account, you can choose in your account right there and you can actually utilize how many items you wish to display in this. You also had to review the design and change its design into slideshow, carousel, or stack options right here. And you can also input right here the active alignments if you would want. So that's how you do Instagram blocks in Squarespace. Hope we helped.